Hello students, welcome to Vidyaniketan. Are you ready for today's class?
Hello students, welcome to Vidyaniketan. Hope all of you are doing well. Yes, hope you have seen the first part and second part of the chapter 1 of your geography syllabus, right? Now I am with you with the third part of this chapter. Here I will also tell you some information about the contour pattern. So let's start. So today we will start from contour pattern. In last video, I told you that what is contour. So contour is an imaginary line which joins the equal heights of a particular area, right? So here by seeing the pattern of contour, we can easily identify that which kind of landform is this. Either it is mountain or plateau. Okay. So here we have to know the pattern. First, in that case, we have to know how this is forming different kind of slopes in different kind of landform. So first point, that is, if the contours will be close to each other like this, they will form steep slope. So this is suppose 500 meter, this is 600, this is 700, and finally this is 800. So when the contours are close to each other, then it will form steep slope. And the second part is when the contours are far apart or wide apart like this, then they will form gentle slope. Is it clear? Sorry. Now, how by this kind of pattern we can understand the different kind of landforms, mean mountain, plateau, ridge, etc. Right? So here, number one, when the contour pattern will be in circular pattern like this. So this will form conical hill, right? So suppose this is representing 600, this is 700, 800 and 900. And remember, all the values are in meter, right? So the conical hill, you can see that the middle part is almost near about circular and the value is increasing towards the inner part. So this will form steep slope and the value is decreasing towards the outer part. So this is representing 600 meter. So here will form gentle slope, right? So a conical hill with uniform slope and narrow top is represented by concentric contours spaced almost at regular interval, right? In the next part, we will know the second part, that is plateau. In that case of plateau, the contour pattern will be little broad, like this, right? So here you can see that the middle portion of this region is widely spaced and the rest contours are close to each other, right? In that case, what will be there? So it will form plateau. Is it clear? So we will move to the next part, that is ridge. So in case of ridge, there are some small contours like this, and these are the widely spaced contours. Okay, so this is forming ridge. Now look, these are the highland region, right? And these are the lower region, or also we can say that this is the highland region, and between two highland region lowlands will be there. So there is little space to each other, so this is forming a gentle slope will be there, right? So here is a gentle slope and here is a gentle slope, right? In that case, they form coal gap saddle pass. So what are these? So coal and gap is near about same. So this is forming a ridge, right? And these are the two highland region, right? So when between two highland, there will be very small and narrow place. So these are the narrow place. So it is known as coal, or you can say gap. Anything you can write. But when it will be little wide, it will known as saddle. Here this place is little narrow, and in between two highlands the place is wide, little wide. So it will known as saddle, right? So when the saddle will have some road, and it means food track, even some transportation is available there, then it will be known as pass, right? Like India has having so many this kind of pass, such as Nathula, Nathula Pass, or Jojila Pass. Is it clear, students? Now, how we can get to know, or how what kind of landforms it is forming? For that, you have to know about cross section. Here, I am showing you how we can get to know what kind of landform is this. So, here I am drawing a contour pattern. Okay. So, suppose this is representing 600 meter, this is 700, this is 800, and this is 900. Okay. Now, you have to draw an axis. So, suppose this is x-axis and this is y. Even you can also draw another y-axis. So, this is y. Okay, now here students, always remember a cross section line should be that which is cutting or passing over all the contours. Okay, so here I am drawing a cross section line and marking as A and B. So this is A and B. This is B. Okay, so now what I should do? First, I will take a scale. Like 600 is the lowest value. So, I am taking 1 centimeter represents 100 meter. So, this is starting from 0 and 1 centimeter gap will be there. So, this is 600, this is 700, this is 800, and finally this is 900. Okay, and these value are in meter. Okay, so now here in that other side, that is right hand side axis, also a parallel line you just draw here like this. Is it clear? Now, first you have to cut these points. Like this is 600, so you have to put this point perpendicularly over this point, over this parallel line. Okay, so this is 600 point, just put here, and also this is cutting 600, so this point. After that 700, that is showing this point and this point. After that 800, this point and this point, and finally 900, this point and this point. So now freehand you have to join this all the points. So It is almost like this, and you are getting a conical hill. Okay, so this way you have to draw all the hills and plateaus, etc. Is it clear, students? So that's all for today. I will tell more about in next part. Thanks for watching. If you understood the video, then please hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Bye.